I've been a member since it started, and I continue to use it. I wouldn't be using it if I didn't get value from it. I've been able to connect with new people, improved the number of shares I get on my content and traffic. I can see the traffic coming in that is from Buzz Club.
Social Buzz Club is a really unique tribe sharing marketing tool where I can leverage my social media content, specifically blog posts, to increase reach and influence. Social Buzz Club helped to increase my organic reach. I have noticed an increase on Twitter in retweets.
Social Buzz Club has been awesome. Laura has built this platform that makes it easy to share others and in our information so that it does reach a great audience. I'm getting more traffic, more comments. I have created online exposure that is far beyond what I would have created without using Social Buzz Club.
Social Buzz Club made me a better writer, blogger, and marketer. I signed up to get extra exposure to my business, blog, marketing, and my program. I love the way it's like a game. You post your articles, and then you look for other articles to post, and then you earn points. Social Buzz Club is a club of serious business owners who want to promote and market their business on social media. People who want to share real content, it was really easy. Looking for whose content to share and submitting my content, awesome collaboration.